Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. Today guys, I am going to do a very different kind of vlog for you all, and I think so and I hope so you will like this vlog a lot, because this is all about glowing skin. How you can get glowing skin with home remedies that are present at your home. So this home remedy will remove your dark circles, your dark spots, any blemishes on your skin, and give you a very glowy and healthy skin. So first of all, I am having makeup. So I will remove the makeup. I am using a wipe, and this good wipe toner. So I will just spray it on my face. And with a wipe, I will remove all the makeup from my face. So like this, I will remove all the makeup from my face. I have eyeliner on, mascara on. So I will remove all that. And this toner will hydrate my face also. I just rave about this toner because this is a very nice toner from Good Vibes. You can see how much makeup is coming out from my skin because I use full coverage foundation whenever I am vlogging, and I was vlogging a vlog for you all guys earlier on. So I will completely remove my makeup. Here you can see my makeup is completely removed and my face is all clean. Now I will use some two Avion capsules. This is how the capsule looks. Avion 40. So I will take this capsule. I will cut it open and I will take the vitamin E serum in it. I will do the same with the second one. I will cut the tip of it and I will take this out completely. Now I will take Patanjali aloe vera gel. I am having the Saundarya one, Kesar Chandan one, and around 2 tablespoons I will take that. Now I will mix this nicely. As you can see, I hope you can see that this kind of paste will be ready for you to apply on your face. Now I am going to apply this on my face. Very nicely. It will hydrate your skin, moisturize your skin, remove all the dark circles and make your skin glowy. You have to do it every night and every morning after washing your face completely and dabbing it with a dry towel so that excess water should be removed from your skin, and you have to apply it. Then you have to massage on your skin in a circular motion. And you have to leave this like this only for if you are applying it at the morning, leave it for 2 to 3 hours, and if you are applying it at night, leave it for the entire night. And you can save this product. You can make this product in a lot of batch, and you can save this product and daily you can apply it on your face. I will show you my face after 2 hours so you can see what the product came, is my skin glowing or not. So now you can see guys, after 2 hours my skin is all glowy. I have just applied some kajal and some lipstick on my face so that it should look presentable. But you can see that how my face is glowing. It's all hydrated, moisturized. I'm having no dark circles because I'm using this from at least, I think so, 2 months. From past 2 months I am using this product for glowing and hydrating skin. So I think so you will also like this, and you will also try it at your homes and get glowing and hydrating skin. Be free of all the dark circles, dark spots, under eye baggage from this product only. No need to apply any market product for under eye baggage or dark spots. If you are having it on your skin, you can use this product only and you will be free of all the dark spots, under eye baggage, rough skin. You will get all the good things from this home remedy only. So please try it at your homes and let me know in the comment section below box that how do you like it and what was the product that came out after applying this for 1 month on your face. Please comment in the comment section below, and for the results you have to apply this for 1 month. So it is not that immediate for 2 days you have applied and the product will come. No, you have to apply it for 1 month and you will get the product. So leave it in the comment section, comment box below, that how do you like the video. Did you like the vlog or not, or you like to see more vlogs like this? And I will see you in my next vlog. Bye bye.